Enjoy quieter cleaning thanks to the Inventor Epic Vacuum Cleaner. With its intelligent design and 68 decibel sound output, you'll have the freedom to vacuum any time of the day. It's really simple to use thanks to its ergonomic handle and integrated controls, so you can easily change your settings without having to bend down. Everything you select will be displayed on the super sleek looking LED display, from power levels to cleaning settings for different floor types. The HEPA filter on this model is great for allergy sufferers as it traps 99.9% of allergens, which means only fresh and filtered air is expelled back into the room. To make vacuuming even easier, it has an extra long cable, which gives you a 12-metre cleaning radius, so you won't have to keep stopping to unplug. Plus, this model comes complete with a crevice, dust and furniture nozzle, as well as a parquet brush for hard floors. So if you're looking for power and a quieter performance, this Inventor Epic Vacuum Cleaner will deliver all that and more.